Yo, what is up everybody, and welcome back to another flex crafting video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this GK61 60% keyboard with Gateron optical red switches. This is a friend of mine, it's Clint, this is his keyboard, and yeah, I'm just going to be unboxing it and showing you guys what it looks like. Okay, so looking at the outside of the box, we've got like just a pretty plain cardboard box, nothing that exciting about it. If we go ahead and open it up, have the keyboard itself right here. I'm going to dump out very carefully. You can see I like the font. The font is nice. It's got the red switches, so much quieter, much less tactile, right? It also comes with this cord right here, so you can plug it in. It also came with this keycap puller right here. I will open it up. So, there you go. And yeah, I'll just go ahead and do a sound test. Another thing that I didn't already say is that these keys are hot swappable. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the sound test. Okay, now we're just gonna do a quick lighting test to show you guys how this happens. Nice.
This has a microphone in it, under the spacebar.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is a really nice keyboard. I 100% recommend it. If you guys do get it, please comment down below that, just like, yeah. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, bye!